Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to improve photo quality in CapCut using the enhanced quality feature? With enhanced quality, CapCut can automatically make your photos look clearer and more detailed using AI. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, tap Auto Enhance. Now, choose the photos you want to improve. After selecting your photos, tap Next. CapCut will now open the enhancement tools. In this tutorial, select Enhance Quality. After that, you will see three enhancement options: None, Ultra HD and AI HD. The None option keeps the original image without enhancement. Ultra HD can make the photo look sharper and clearer. And AI HD uses AI to improve image details automatically. In this example, select AI HD. CapCut will now process your image automatically. This may take a few moments depending on the image quality. Once the enhancement is finished, preview the result. If you like the enhanced photo, tap the checkmark button to save it, or tap the X button if you want to cancel the changes. And that's how to use enhanced quality in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.